Cedric Marks, he is accused of killing both Jenna Scott and Michael Swearingen, and he still intends to represent himself in his upcoming trial.
And while a legal expert says representing yourself is not advised, it could provide multiple opportunities to derail the trial. 6 News reporter Andrew Moore is live for us in studio tonight, and he explains. Andrew?
Representing yourself at your own murder trial is not seen as a good idea if you are trying to win. But 6 News legal expert Liz Mitchell told us today it can also create problems for the trial process and create opportunities to delay or even appeal.
It is really, really hard to try a case when someone is defending themselves because you are on like pins and needles, making sure they're not saying things that are inadmissible in front of a jury.
If Marks chooses to be his own lead attorney, that has several ramifications even before the trial begins. Legal expert Liz Mitchell says sharing or leaking privileged information from a jail cell could already start to disrupt the legal process.
Could he actually ruin evidence or make evidence not admissible by doing that?
Yes, I mean, and if certain evidence that's inadmissible is presented to a jury that's been impaneled, it could be a mistrial.
Jury selection could also be an issue. In this case, Marks would actually take part in picking jury members. And if he discloses too much to them, it could actually restart the process.
So if he makes comments in front of the jury that would be inadmissible, then yes, it could essentially spoil an entire panel.
And Mitchell says if Marks proves to be incapable of acting as his own attorney, that could actually open the door for the case to be appealed and ultimately tried again. Mitchell says it's likely there will be other attorneys ready to assist Marks to preserve the integrity of the process.
And even though this defendant is quote unquote defending himself, it sounds like the judge has done a great job of having attorneys kind of stand by and ready to guide him and act as kind of co-counsel to him in the event that this kind of goes awry.
Mitchell also told us this would not in any way allow Marks to escape the judicial process, but it would be enough to delay a verdict. She also said defendants have the right to represent themselves if they truly wish to do so. Guys?
All right, Andrew Moore live in studio. Thanks for the update.